Finishing the front, I guess we call them wings. Do that side next. I don't think we have enough boards for this length, but we'll do what we can. That's good for the blue. Okay. Feel like that's good. What's up with the blue one? Okay, that's good. Right there's good. So I sanded this cypress post that's gonna replace that post and hold up the loft. But I've got this cypress, I think I might have said it earlier, at a tree was taken down during Florence. It was a hurricane a couple of years ago. And I had it all milled up. And it's pretty nice. I'm gonna urethane it now. Door threshold went in today, and the double doors are going to be going in soon, I suspect. They're working on the roof over the deck today. That is the fascia board going up. I just put a coat of urethane on this cypress wood. It's kind of tough to see, but it's really gorgeous. Virginia's doing a final sanding on this today, trying to smooth out all the grout lines, and then we'll wipe it down. Sorry if I said this before. We'll wipe it down and make sure all the cement mortar is off of the stones, and then we'll put a sealer on it. See how it pops. benefit of having a fire pit, it's a great way to get rid of your scraps. We're calling it kindling wood.